So, after filing a missing persons report, after a nationwide manhunt, we finally found him.
It's me, guys. I'm back.
Let's go.
I know I've been missing for a while, but this may look unfamiliar. Unfortunately, my previous 86, which you saw on the channel, got stolen from my house, unfortunately.
No longer.
Rest in peace.
We've got a good replacement though, guys. We'll give you a walk around in a second.
My current car. It's a 2001 LEXUS LS-430. Yeah, that's about it. We can go walk around and have a look at everything it's got on it so far.
Come on. Ha, sicker than your average. Pop a twist cabbage off instinct. Niggas don't think shit stink. Pink Gators, my Detroit players. Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. Dead right, if the head right, Biggie there, air night. Papa been smooth since days of under rules. Never lose, never choose to. Bruise, cruise, who? Do something to us. Talk, go through us. Girls want to us, wanna do us. Screw us, who us? Yeah, Papa and Pump. Close like Starsky and Hutch. Stick to clutch. Yeah, I squeeze 3 at your cherry M3. Bang every MC easily.
Take that.
Recently, niggas frontin' ain't saying nothing, so I just speak my peace. Keep my peace. Cubans with the Jesus peace. With my peeps. Packing, asking who want it. You got it, nigga, flaunt it. That Brooklyn bullshit, we on it.
Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. And I just love your flashy ways. I guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. And I just love your flashy ways. I guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake.
I put hoes in NY onto DKNY. Miami, DC.
So, got Leon Hardrip Ordens, front and rear. 19-inch, and then all-round airlift 3P air suspension installed by House of Stance. And on the rears, it's got hard race rear upper control arms and rear toe arms just to fit the wheels because they're a bit too big.
They are very big, man. I tell you what, let's give them a tight. Man, you can see how the camber on that shit. That's not bad. Tell you what. We'll show them the interior as well, man.
Things, so it's pretty nice, all factory interior. The ultra luxury pack so it comes with some extras like heated and cooled seats and all that good JDM rubbish.
These are some comfortable seats, man. I tell you what.
They are very good.
For 2001, this thing's insane. We also got in the back
Plenty of space in the back for some things.
for some tools, for a hammer in case your frame might need some changing. Also the rear sunblind there, but mate, this is a car that you want to be in the back of.
Eventually we'll sort of pimp out the interior, get curtains for the rear, and then some other just junction pieces, but
mate, it's full VIP. What do you reckon, Vin?
I reckon it's a beast.
Very nice.
It's just a Biggie Smalls certified car, 100%.
Mate, 100%. 100%. This is the cross between Biggie Smalls and Japan. All in one. Let's go.
I'll show you the boot if you want. It's a bit messy, but you can see the comp. Or the air tank.
Does it have a humongous sub?
Not yet.
Soon.
Soon.
See the air tank.
We'll have to show you guys that.
Bit of airlift, and then everything else is hidden underneath the boot. I still got my spare tyre, dual comps in the back.
Mate, it looks like OEM.
Looks like a big name.
Yeah, look at that. You can barely tell that it's even aftermarket. It looks insane. So much boot space still.
Yeah, literally.
That's incredible. That's incredible, mate. Wow, wow. How good.
Pull out the Snapchats on me. I ain't got no Snapchat home. I think it's too personal. That's what I got Twitter for. Instagram, I'm back, yo. Like flex on you haters. Hi haters. This is my world, so it's all in my favor. I like all girls, yeah, all type of flavors. But that don't matter, cause I just got my baby. Pull up right there, Mercedes. Oh, I don't wanna like the Navy. For that girl to the sun done, #1 like I'm a great. Boy, you said that you made me. Go ahead and make another one. Do what I want, cause I'm trusting none. I'm a lover till the love is done. Took your girl, she ain't try to run. Hit from the back so her legs get numb. Hit from the back so long that my own legs starting to get numb. Sucking me up, give me brain, now she dumb. Tell her it's repercussions. Play her just like a drum. Making a night where you making a month.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the nice Lexus that we had over there, Trav's Lexus. So basically what we've got here is new sequential indicators for the FN2. If you see right now, I'll come inside, Sean, put the camera on the indicator, we'll just shine
Oh, yep.
on the other side. how fucked it is. So if you look, that mirror is supposed to be indicating and, you know, showing my fellow road users that
This
I'm
one
actually
works.
turning into their lane.
Yeah.
That side works. But for the sake of the video, we're going to just change both. We've got these sequential style indicators.
Mate, we already know this is the eBay AliExpress channel. All of them.
Don't be silly. Sponsor us, AliExpress.
Sponsored by China. Just
So-
China.
Exactly. I've got my little Stanley knife here, just in case, you know, I've got to go hard sometimes. So we're going to...
You already know that's the theme of the channel. Just go hard.
Just go hard, honestly, in all aspects of life. If you're not going hard...
It's a great quote, really.
If you're not going hard, you're not going anywhere.
I'm guessing that's probably Ricky.
That's Ricky. That's Ricky, the, what did I call him the other time? Experienced Lego enthusiast Ricky is.
With the budget VTEC.
He's got budget VTEC. We got real VTEC over here. K20 Z4.
That's
Z,
it.
Z4. So, these are sequential indicators here are, you know, smoked. So they fit the whole black and red theme of the chids that we got going on right now. Kind of started that theme off when we installed the lip. Hella bubble wrap. So basically, this is just gonna, again, just like the Illumo lights we just installed, go check out that video. It's gonna freshen up the car as well.
We'll put a link right here.
Right here.
Anyway.
And so Shawnee's bought some upholstery removal tools that we're gonna use so we don't scratch these beautiful mirror caps.
We protect those precious clips.
We don't want to break the clips, you know. So Shawnee's doing the final unclipping.
Just make sure we get all these clips out.
Alright,
Beast.
alright.
How are these clips?
Not too shabby, eh?
Mate, none of them are broken.
For its age.
They're none
Good stuff.
broken, mate.
See, you got reliable mirror caps on Hondas as well.
Alright guys, so we got 3 screws here. They're just star fitting. We should have the tools in the back of the XR5. We've got to keep them on at all times.
Shawnee's always got his tools on him.
Mate, boys, I'll tell you what, you don't need a tow truck when you have a little packet of tools. We'll show you. Best recommended thing to have in your car, a little packet of tools.
I've got everything but tools in this car.
The amount that at times it saved me.
Mate, my flathead screwdriver's done the job many times.
You're going to have at least a flat. Alright, we'll hold this here and we'll get the tools out. Alright, so we've just got 2 screws out here. This is the part of the toolbox here.
Mate, Shawnee's always got the tools on him and it's a beautiful thing.
Mate, we can start a workshop anyway.
I know, mate, we got the mobile XR5 workshop here.
Wow, mate.
And we got cracker music coming through this big boy kicker
There you go.
Yep, so as you can tell, not sugar-coated in any way, it's fucked. So, show us the front of it.
It's corrosion in the connector.
Yep, so look, it's all yellowed
there's
out and
water.
cracked. Yeah.
In there.
Just to put it in perspective, when we tried to show you just before, you couldn't see any blinking. But previously, I could see probably about only three of these little dots here were blinking. That's it.
Yeah.
So, not ideally the safest thing. So,
We'll get our officially sponsored indicator.
officially sponsored by AliExpress. Unofficially sponsored.
No, not official. I don't know what side it is.
That's what we do,
Oh,
you
they
know.
came with one. That's a little upholstery removal.
See, but guess what? Shawnee's always got his stuff, so we don't need.
This is better.
I mean,
anyway.
yeah, you know,
Alright.
it's got some more, you know, girth on it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the toolbox there.
Yeah. Look at that. Shawnee has all the tools. Anything you need, Shawnee's got it. Alright. So yeah, it's not too bad, you know.
They're very rice. But I think the main thing is when the car's off and when you're not using it, black just looks so much better. But it actually works now, which is
You
a
know
lot
what?
better.
For a visual learner, for someone who may not understand or know how to read, this is a definition of you get what you pay for. You know, AliExpress still sponsor us, but not bad.
On camera, it looks good actually.
They look better off.
Yeah, we'll just leave it at that. Alright guys, so you can see one side there. That's the other side there. Just looks a lot better. Just the little things, you know. The little things just add up.
And it's a lot safer. I didn't want anyone going bang into me when I was trying to turn into their lanes.
Yeah, we know Sydney roads, very, very questionable drivers. They can't see it as it is, so...
I reckon there's a lot of bribery in the RMS, if you ask me, but
we won't worry about that. We'll keep that to another video or another topic.
Alright, so basically also, as you can see, very simple design, but this mirror has seen better days, so hopefully we'll get a restoration of that sometime soon.
It just needs a little respray.
That's it,
But,
that's all it needs.
The indicators will make it look better, nonetheless.
Very happy.
Thanks.
Alright, so we showed you guys last video what the cold start sounds like. Shawnee's going to give us a cheeky rev. Holy shit. Jesus Christ.
Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video, alright? Make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Alright, it says about 70% of you guys aren't subscribed. Alright, come on.
Crazy.
You've got to hit that one button. Alright, so drop us a comment as well what we want to see of the Lexus. What the next video of what you want to see of that. Obviously drop a comment what you think of the indicators. I reckon they're looking...
Drop a like.
Yeah, a like as well, but they're looking a lot better, guys. But we'll catch you in the next video, alright? Some bangers coming up, stay tuned. Some really, really hectic cars coming onto the channel and some mods that you haven't seen before on any of YouTube, so some pretty new cars, so yeah, stay tuned for that.
A45s, K-swapped Hondas, whatever else you want to see, we got it.
Let us know and we'll get it, mate.
We'll get it for you.
So we do it.
And one last thing, do not forget to go hard.
16 swiftly, wreck it by your new one. Your crew run, your crew run. I know you sick of this lame brand nigga with flows, girl, stay heat, sweet like licorice. So get with this, nigga, it's easy. Girlfriend, here's a bitch. Call me round 10, come through, have sex on rugs, that's Persian. Come up to your job, hit you while you're working, for certain. Papa freaking, not speaking, leave that ass leaking like rapper demo. Tell them who, take that